This is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. So before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is go to settings, then you want to go to general, and then go to iPhone storage. From there you want to find the Snapchat app and you want to click on offload app, and once you do that, open the Snapchat. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to delete the app and reinstall the app again. If that also doesn't work, you can try setting the different time and date. So you basically go back to general and you have date and time, and you want to remove the set automatically, and once you do that, it's going to prompt you like what time you want to use, and just use some time in the future, in the past, and that could also help you out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.